Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the most advanced home cleaning solutions on the market. The Roborock S7 Maxv Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Bundle. If you're looking to elevate your cleaning game effortlessly, this is the gadget you've been waiting for. What makes the Roborock S7 Maxv Ultra stand out? Well, it's not just a vacuum. It's a comprehensive cleaning system that integrates advanced technology with user-friendly features. First up, reactive tech obstacle avoidance. Watch as it seamlessly maneuvers around furniture and obstacles. Thanks to its intelligent sensors, you won't need to pre-clean your floors. This robot knows where to go and what to avoid. Say goodbye to dirt and dust with the powerful 5,500 pascals hyper-force suction. Whether it's carpets or hard floors, this robot ensures a thorough clean, lifting even embedded dirt with ease. Plus, its carpet boost mode ensures deeper cleaning where it's needed most. For those sticky messes, the Roborock mopping system comes into play. With sonic scrubbing at 3,000 times per minute and adjustable mop lifting, it tackles dried stains effectively without leaving excess water behind. Control at your fingertips. The Roborock app lets you schedule cleaning sessions, set no-go zones, and even monitor its progress from anywhere. It's like having a cleaning assistant that never tires. Maintenance made easy. With hassle-free filter changes and durable components, the Roborock S7 Maxv Ultra is designed to last. It even alerts you when maintenance is due, ensuring peak performance every time. In conclusion, if you're looking for the ultimate in-home cleaning convenience, the Roborock S7 Maxv Ultra delivers. From its intelligent navigation to powerful suction and advanced mopping capabilities, it's a game-changer. Check the link in the description to get yours today and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep innovating and keep exploring with Product Critique.